everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video, you already know what we're doing because you've seen the title and thumbnail. We're going to be putting an exhaust on the Fiesta ST. To be exact, this is a Miltech non-resonated race exhaust from AET Motorsport. Now AET have been really kind and actually given me a discount code to give you guys for today's video, joshb5. Now that gives you 5% off at checkout. It works for most of their products that they sell. Not every single one, but most of them. It will work for all the exhausts and big brands like AirTech, Voodoo, etc, etc. It works for a lot of their brands. So yeah, use code joshb5 to get a discount at checkout at AET Motorsport. Today, we're going to be putting it on the Fiesta. I'm so excited because this thing, well, you'll hear how it sounds, because today we're having to go over to my mate's house to fit this myself because I don't have the facilities for that where But yeah, you guys know what a stock Fiesta sounds like. Let's now fast forward to my mate's house and let's get to installing this exhaust.
Oh yeah, stop it there for a bit.
Alright, so you can see we got the car all jacked up on the ramps and I'm now sawing away the back box so that we can get it all over the subframe, because this exhaust surprisingly is all one single piece. The back box has now been fully sawed through and is left dangling on just a couple of rubber hangers, and that is the last rubber hanger that I've just taken out the back box, and it's now ready to be pulled out the back of the car over the rear subframe. Yes!
There you go, you're through.
A back box. You bastard. How are you getting on with it?
99% of the way through it.
Oh, we got to get the final moments. Yes, he's done it. He's bloody done it. Oi, there it goes. Nice. Look how rusty and dusty and crusty it is. Should we put this on the floor and go for a drive? I'm actually scared.
Yeah.
Holy crap! That is mental.
I don't know if you need to hold on to it.
That's mad. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is insane. It's literally vibrating the whole car. Oh my god. It literally feels like it's going to vibrate the wheels off.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Sounds like a race car. Oh my god, it feels faster just because it's so like dramatic. It's so dramatic.
Vibrating.
Oh, a little pop there as it's getting warmer. That's crazy. Pops like when I was getting to the rev limiter.
Hear it over the tyre squeal.
No worries.
Enjoy your day.
Right, arse lick.
Well, you see, no. He's helping the environment. How long do you want this clutch to last?
Nah, the clutch is fine. That's just quick shifts, isn't it? I could not live with this.
No.
Like, it's actually, my head is vibrating.
I wonder what it would sound like on a dual carriageway.
The drone is actually a joke.
It's almost like there's a reason they put exhausts on cars.
Yeah. It's literally vibrating through my soul. After terrorising the people in the local area, we decided to come back and finish this exhaust once and for all. But we only had 2 bolts to take off, and this is where we ran into a huge problem. I got here at 12 o'clock. It is now 9:30. That's how long this has taken. No word of a lie, it's about 4 to 5 hours later, and it's pitch black as you can see, and we've only just got out about, well, we've not even got it all the way out, we've drilled it out, only enough to get a 6mm in, but it will do. It is now finally time to fit this exhaust. So this was the bolt in question, which is really rusty and completely rounded, so we decided, you know what, let's just cut it off. Little did we know this would be the hardest metal known to man, and went through about 1 million drill bits, and it was all welded on and took 4 to 5 to 6 hours to get off, but we did it in the end, and it was time to fit the new exhaust. So we have the back box in place, and then it goes over the, is that subframe? Into the clamp there, and then down into there.
Down into all the rust.
Yeah. Oh yes, look at this. Shiny Miltech. I'm going to put the left one on. Jesus, this literally took like half hour to put on.
Yeah, that's why the instructions say an hour and a half.
Yeah, an hour to take off.
So 8 hours, 10 hours, they missed out.
They missed out the part where it says, you may come across rusty bolt. Holy crap, boys, yeah. It does look flipping good. Alright, so next day, and finally the exhaust is on. There's a couple little bits I've got to do to it just to fine tune it. Like, there's a small leak because we didn't use any sealant because we were there so late. We were just like, just get this bloody thing on. And then there's a small knock from where it's hanging down a bit too much, and it's knocking on like the bar thing that goes underneath the car. So I've got to adjust that a bit as well. And then the exhaust will be perfect. But let's stop talking. Let's finally go out for this drive with the Miltech race exhaust non-resonated. Alright, so we're now underway, and you can notice straight away, it's not droning in here. It's not a loud exhaust, you know. It's only really a resonator to leave this exhaust, and because it's Miltech, it may be slightly nicer, finer tuned. The actual exhaust width, the diameter of the pipe is bigger. It's a 2.75 millimeters or whatever diameter, and what that does is it increases airflow and just makes the exhaust a bit louder. At least I think it does anyway. Now what's nice about this exhaust in particular is that it is louder than the stock exhaust. I actually think the car should have came with an exhaust sounding like this from factory, honestly. And overall it's just, yeah, it sounds better, but it's not too much. Like, anyone could drive this and be like, yeah, this is a good sounding car. But let's put the windows down and have a little listen. I should also point out, it definitely feels faster, but I could definitely go louder, and I think I will in the future. What's also nice is that you can still hear the induction noise. It's not too intrusive, this exhaust. Like I say, it should have come out of factory like this. Second gear really pulls now, and third gear you notice it as well. What I also noticed that in low revs, it is definitely louder. It has much more of a rumble, and it's not drony, but you can tell if I went any louder with the exhaust, I reckon it would drone quite a bit. That is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe down below, and yeah, check out AET Motorsport, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.